Hi guys, my name's Tahlia from Zart and I'm going to take you through some of the new and exciting Christmas materials and ideas. Now, if you haven't got one already, our Christmas catalogue for 2020 is available and there's lots of resources in here which I'll flick through so you can have a bit of a peek at. So as you can see, going through our catalogue, we've got full how-to steps on how to create some of these really beautiful and intricate Christmas decorations, Christmas gifts, and just Christmas projects that are great for lots of classes. So as you can see, we've got our native Christmas wreath here. So it's a really fun project, all about paper cutting with really simple materials, and all the instructions for this beautiful wreath are in this catalogue. Some other things that you'll find in this catalogue are how-to steps on how to create beautiful but simple cards. So as you can see, this is a lovely watercolour card, just another cut collage that makes a really striking image. And on the next few pages, we've also got some really lovely clay work. So not just sticking to paper crafts or drawing, we've got some 3D work as well, like these gratitude dishes, which make a really big impact, as well as some of these really cute pinch pots. So adding things like beads and strings to your clay work makes for a really nice piece. Now moving on to some of our new products. First off, we've got our wooden Australian native animals. So you can decorate them in lots of different ways. So we've got lots and lots of varieties of animals. We've got koalas, we've got kangaroos, cockatoos, we've got wombats, kookaburras, as well as this emu/pigeon/seagull. Whatever you want it to be, you can make it, because that's how art works. So get excited for Christmas, get excited for decorating using magic clay, using paint, our Zart school colours, or even some of our new colour slicks will all work on these wooden bases for our wooden Australian animal hangers. And you get 21 in a pack. It's a really great value for a great class Christmas project. Okay, next up, we've got our cardboard weaving looms. So again, going on the Australian theme, which is what our catalogue and a lot of our new products are based on. We've got our finished products here, as well as our little cardboard looms that come with a pop-out cardboard shape. So we've got really cute baubles for Christmas, or even if you want it as a standard classroom activity, we've got our kookaburra shape, as well as our koala shape. So you can do these for Christmas as well, or you can do this as a textiles project in your own classroom. But really nice textiles project, especially if you're introducing your kids to weaving. And if you do want to learn how to do your own weaving, or even show your class how to weave, we do have this available as a project video to help step your class through the process. Okay, and next we've got our standing cardboard Christmas cards. So these are really cute designs. We've got our little Santa, we've got our reindeer shape, as well as our angel shape. So if you're looking for a little bit of a different way of going about creating cards, not always sticking to the cardboard square, we've got these really nice designs that you can use alcohol inks on the top of. You can do paper collage, or you can do oil pastel. So lots of different options for working on these surfaces. Next up, we've got these cute little reindeer pendants. So similar to our cabochons, which we've had for a little while now, these reindeer pendants are two pieces. So we've got our wooden backing, which has the little reindeer antlers, as well as the glass bead that goes on top. So you can put a variety of different things in here, like photos, you can do paper collages, or even a drawing in the middle, but you can use these as either little hangers on your tree, or even a necklace or some kind of jewellery as a gift for your parents. If you're doing this for even a craft Christmas sale, then this is a really good option. So still going along the lines of jewellery and gifts, we've got our little wooden earring drop pieces. So here are my little gratitude dish. How cute is this? I want to sell this on Etsy or something, even though it's not mine. It's adorable. We've got our gratitude dish and our little earrings made up with all of the pieces in that set. Also part of the new range and really great for jewellery making, not just Christmas. We've got our earring studs and posts. These are stainless steel, so ladies, your ears will not go green with the coating coming off. So stainless steel, perfect for earrings, and they can just be threaded through the top of your earring or wherever there's a hole in the design. So really versatile. You can also make necklaces and bracelets with these as well, and in combination with our new jump rings. So you can see all the little pieces are attached through those jump rings. So a really simple jewelry making project, great for primary school kids, even secondary school kids. If you want to create really intricate designs, then that's definitely something you can do. Get excited, guys. Modeling springs. Pretty cool, right? So these modeling springs make for a very fun activity. So turn your standard magic clay creations into something movable, like a little bobblehead. Put this in your car and it will rock out to the music with you. So these come in a packet of 10. So again, a really great way to add to projects and add that little bit of movement to your work. I can just let that go for about 10 minutes and you guys can get dizzy. Next up, we've got our metallic felt. Really great for a textiles project for younger students. So if you don't want to teach younger students how to sew, which can be very difficult with fine motor skills, you can use something like this felt instead and staple it together to hold its shape. And then the children get the experience of working with textiles mediums without having to do the sewing. So that's a really nice Christmas-based material and a really easy Christmas project as well, these little felt reindeer. Next up, we've got part of our eco range are these cardboard straws. So we've got them in some really beautiful bright colours. So again, not just great for Christmas, but great for all year round. These are Himali hanging ornaments. They're traditionally Finnish, and if you want to learn how to make these, we have a project video step by step on how to go about constructing these. These are also a really good maths-based lesson. So if you're looking at cross-curricular links and Christmas links, then you can use these as a really nice project. But we've got the coloured straws as well as our minimalist black, white and brown straws. So you can see here, little minimalist Christmas card because minimal is in. But this is a really nice, cute project to work with the straws. Now, if you want to feel like an engineer, and I know that you do, you can do STEAM activities. So here, I've got my little LED light card made with a very simple paper circuit. So we've extended our STEAM range, and you can create something very simple like this by only using conductive copper tape, which is new in our Christmas catalogue, as well as these LED lights. We have red and yellow, so you can make a really cute Rudolph glowing card with that LED. We've also got our coin batteries, which will power your little circuit, and we've also got these battery holders if you want an on and off switch for your circuits instead of just having a press switch, then that's an option, as well as a vibration motor, which is really fun to use for sculptural works. If you want them to move, then you can add your vibration motor into your simple circuit and then your work will vibrate. So that's a very cool addition. So if you are looking at STEAM projects, and if you want to include Christmas in that as well, then you can create something very simple like this LED card and this little collage. There is also a project video on this. If you're not confident with making those paper circuits, then watch the video and you'll be able to see how to create this very, very simply. Okay, next up, we've got our silver and gold metallic markers. Now these ones are really nice to work with. So on a black surface, you can of course use them on any color, but they show up nice and bright on a black. So look at how vibrant they are, nice solid colors. Really nice to work with and embellish your work as well. Come up really, really well, so they're very nice to work with. Next up, we've got our plastic bird beaks and feet. So these are really cute to add on to your little magic clay projects, especially for junior primary year levels, just to add a touch to those projects when they're learning how to do their modeling skills. So as you can see here, we've got our little plastic feet and our little beaks. Of course, you can think more abstractly with these and add these to sculptures and make them dragons, dinosaurs, or even little insects and bugs. They can be used in many different ways, but they work really well with simple modelling skills, and you can create these cute little creatures. Next up, again, part of our eco range is our bio glitter. So our bio glitter is biodegradable, so really good for the environment. Comes in 6 different colours. So of course we've got our Christmas colours included in that, and just like normal glitter, it will go everywhere. So enjoy that in your classroom for the next 6 months after Christmas. But bio glitter, really nice product, especially if your school is focused on the environment or environmental issues, and a great starting point for discussion with your students as well. And here are some little examples of the bio glitter for just some simple Christmas cards. So a nice, easy cutout card, and working on some of those Christmas shapes with our Christmas papers as well. So it comes out really nice and bright, just like a normal glitter, but environmentally friendly. And last but not least, we've got our Deco Mosaic tiles. We have new Christmas tiles. So everything needs glitter, especially when it's Christmas time. So we've got our gold, silver, red and green, all of our standard Christmas colours that you can use for beautiful frames. You can use it in sculptures as well for bases, or even just a really simple frame for drawings. Lots of options, especially if you're looking to introduce your students to doing mosaic work. A really simple way of applying those mosaic tiles is to use double-sided tape. You can put a strip of the double-sided tape down, peel it off, and then stick your tiles directly onto that tape to create your design. So you don't have to worry about grout and all the mess associated with that. And you can talk your students through the beginnings of the mosaic process without having to worry about all the mess, using glass tiles that can cut students' fingers if they have sharp edges. Completely safe and easy to use, and a really fun project. So those were some of the new products in our 2020 Christmas catalogue. And if you haven't received your catalogue yet or would like one sent to you, send us an email and we'll get one out to you right away. And if you do order any of our new Christmas materials, you'll receive a free Zart gift bag, which is perfect for stuffing your Christmas presents in. So if you would like to keep up to date, or if you need more Christmas ideas, we've got our Zart Art Christmas workshops coming up. So don't forget to check out our new workshops and stay up to date.